constructed and delivered to me by Code City Technical Company, all the way from Aba. This was done since last month and delivered to me, but I've not really had the time for it. So as it stands, we are waiting for Code City engineer for the installation proper. So Code City, we say thank you for your prompt delivery. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. More heights, bro. This is it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Constructed and delivered by Code City Technical, all the way from Aba City. Thank you, Code City.